A construction company had imported self-propelled hydraulic piling rigs under a duty exemption for exclusive use in NHAI and PWD projects. When investigations revealed violations of import conditions, the company deposited over Rs 18 crore in duties and interest. A show cause notice followed, proposing confiscation of goods for duty liability and interest. The High Court's decision upheld the customs authorities' right to charge both the duty and interest on the goods in question, which was unfavorable to the company. This decision led the petitioner to appeal to the Supreme Court. The main questions that arose for consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court were whether there is a liability to pay customs duty when confiscated goods are redeemed after payment of fine under Section 125 of the Customs Act, and whether the liability to pay such duty will include the liability to pay interest on delayed payment under Section 28AB of the Act. The court examined the facts of the case, including the Settlement Commission's decision and the High Court's order. The court emphasized that the Act must always be read as a whole. Once the liability of confiscation is withdrawn after the option to pay fine is exercised and the goods are redeemed, it is natural for the goods to be subjected to duty. Therefore, the court held that the owner of goods has a liability to pay customs duty, even after confiscated goods are redeemed after payment of fine under Section 125 of the Act. When confiscation proceedings are initiated under Section 124 of the Act, the obligation to pay duty and other charges under Section 125 will arise only when the owner of goods exercises the option to pay fine for redemption of goods and the department accepts it. The Supreme Court emphasized that liability to pay customs duty in such confiscation proceedings under Section 125 Clause 2 is distinct from the assessment and determination of duty, which can arise only under Section 28. Once Section 28 applies for determination of duty, interest on delayed payment of duty under Section 28AB follows. In conclusion, the Supreme Court affirmed that owners remain liable for customs duty, even after redeeming confiscated goods through fine payment under Section 125, and the construction company is also liable to pay interest on delayed payment. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.